Good afternoon, guys. We are in the hills of a place called Tam Dao. It's about 12 degrees, getting a little bit cold, but check it out. Beautiful view behind me of Tam Dao city or town, and got a bit of a wedding going on over here. Check that out. And there's a few weddings I can see down in a little park just down here, but it's pretty cloudy down below. But hopefully we can throw the fly cam up and get some fly cam shots of Tam Dao, which is one of the local mountains here around the Phu Ninh district, which is north of Hanoi. Yeah, looks like a pretty cool little town. Actually reminds me of Dalat. Bit of a church. Let's go check this out. So we're just chillaxing around this little square area. There's a fountain with an angel on it, and there's the Tam Dao sign. So you know it's real. We're here in Tam Dao. Anyway, it's really cloudy. We're up in the hills. It's about 12 degrees. It's a bit chilly, so I think it's time for a hot chocolate. Alright guys, we are at a restaurant called Guangzhou, and we're kind of overlooking a view, but it's really foggy, cloudy. But apparently there's some mountains over here that on a clear day you can see really fine. And it's a bit noisy behind us because they're erecting some Christmas trees. Christmas just around the corner, another Christmas tree just over here. But check it out, man. Very foggy. Unfortunately, we can't get the fly cam into that area, but we're gonna have to come back and check this place out. Anyway, guys, Tam Dao seems to have a lot of construction going on. These churches been redeveloped and built, buildings, hotels. I think they want to make it the next supper travel getaway. Love to come here on a clear day. Good morning, guys. We are in a place called Tan Bar at Tan Bar Riverside. I think they've got like some kind of Disneyland thing here and some flowers and gardens and stuff. We're gonna go and check it out. It's a bit cloudy today, but nonetheless, hopefully the rain stays away. guys, we are now leaving Tan Bar Riverside. It's been an awesome little look around this lovely place. Flowers, fish, had a little bit of a coffee and a drink. Yeah. Alright guys, we are about to throw the fly cam up, but we've just seen some team building here today and people taking wedding photos. There's wedding couples around this beautiful area, coconut trees, the resort hotel behind us. Here with my friend Mr. Quang.
Hello!
Mr. Ming from Vietnam. Anyway, we're going to throw up the fly cam and get some fly cam vibes here in Sông Hồng.
Sông Hồng, thủ đô. Sông Hồng, thủ đô.